Dear boys who think girls wear the same black leggings every day.
And we'll never be royals.
You can call me green bean.
Green beans.
To the bone too.
Yeah, we should give you a call later.
On camera, no.
Rico the bike cop.
Surfboard!
Yeah, I'm at the car right now.
Running for exercise. Running for ice cream.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still hitting them counters in them lolos, girl. Still taking my time to.
Santa be like,
I saw all you guys twerking. You're not getting shit for Christmas.
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me. Where am I?
Would you like to play a game?
A game?
Raise this baby.
That ain't no game, nigga. That's life.
Chelsea, behind you.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
BRB, Mom, Regina's here. Get over, bitch.
I haven't been on Facebook in forever. Here are photos, and who's that ugly little boy?
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Sophie!
You and your wretched selfies. I suppose you'll slam this on the nearest.
Oh, shh.
Because of you, I am afraid. Because of you. Shine bright like a diamond.
Are you good?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Go.
Nas Penya Babadisiawa.
Round.
Kaiser. Smile. Show me your smile. Smile. Oh, so handsome.
Hey man, can I copy your homework?
Huh?
Can I copy your homework?
No, you can't copy my homework. Darius Benson. Thanks. But do you still? You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it.
Okay.
You're welcome. No, fuck you. Some kids just party too hard.
That's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head.
The Spanish word of the day is wheelchair. There's only one donut left, so wheelchair.
Spell BMW.
B-E-W.
Where do you hear an E? Where do you hear the E?
The first in the middle. First word.
Spending the day with my dad.
The fuck are you?
The name of this song is Starbucks. It's expensive. Thank you.
Oh, Stewie.
Hello, Stewie Griffin here. Great to be back. Quick question. When is spring break?
Summer's not over! Don't you quit on me! Don't you quit on me!
The most decorated Olympian of all time. Take your mark.
Let's beat that ass! But first,
let me take a selfie.
Pretend I cut her hair. That was an accident.
Did you just cut my hair, Jesse? Are you kidding?
Hi, you gay!
Did you take it, Jeff? Take the damn picture!
Be my hoe. Yo, what? Nigga, no. I'm a lady, but I'm sexy. No, I'm sexy. You trifling.
Teach me how to duck. 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 Everybody.
Catch my bus, see my
I love my baby so much. She means the world to me.
Remember when you was a kid and every time you got that whooping, you always took that good ass nap right after?
Think you're a boss, huh?
Go, Sean. It's your birthday.
Drop that thing for me. Drop that thing for me.
Graining on that wood, graining on that wood. I'm swerving on that, swerving on that big butt.
And then I slapped her booty.
This all about. What the fuck?
That was a close one.
Tell me why you ain't take the trash out, huh? You just gonna let it roll? Evan, what would you have did?
I would have taken it out.
Help me, nigga!
Sit down.
Frank.
Stand up.
Frank.
Pass out.
Frank.
Wake up.
Frank.
No, obviously I don't like him.
Okay.
This looks so good. It's not a straw? Oh.
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood. I like you, love you.
Juan?
I don't know who you are.
It's Juan.
I will find you.
It's not Juan.
Do you wish people would mess with you instead of Amber?
Yes. You don't have to do that. Yes, I do.
Can you not?
Why are these ladies doing the duck face? Selfie? No, stop it.
Oh God. Please don't kill me.
The Spanish word of the day is Nutella.
My wife no listen to me, so I no tell her nothing.
We ain't got no peanut butter. No jelly.
That was the last of the Don't let go! Don't let go! I've got you! I've got you now!
Don't you just love it whenever you don't wear makeup one day and then a guy comes up to you and says, "You look tired." Yes, I know I'm ugly! Look, it's a bird!
It's a plane!
No! It's a bird. It's a bird. She was right.